If you're building out a SaaS company or using AI to build an app, pricing is absolutely essential to your success. So this is a video you do not want to quickly skim past. See, we're actually in this process right now with Super Schema where I'm using Claude Cowork to completely refactor our pricing strategy. Now on our new pricing page, there's going to be one number that actually has two jobs, one of which is extremely important and a tactic I want you to use, but more on that towards the end of this video. In the last video, I mentioned how in our admin panel, I created this feature with Claude Code where I can download in real time all of our existing product features along with all of our user data. I fed that to Claude Cowork along with some other market data, and it completely restructured how we think about pricing. See, when we started, we rolled out our beta pricing. It was basically a flat $25 a month, and now we'll have 4 tiers. We'll have a starter tier for $49 a month, a pro tier for $129, an agency tier for $299, and an enterprise tier for $999 plus a month. Now, the best part is because we use Claude Cowork and we fed it all of our live data, it clearly recognized all of the usage patterns and our different customer segments and was able to group them. They almost grouped themselves. And that's the magic that I found in using Claude Cowork, because instead of just guessing or looking at other competitors and just thinking, yeah, that number sounds great, I'd love to make that much. No, we're actually able to be data informed and make decisions based on that. So I highly encourage you, if you are building an app, try to get at your usage data to help you really figure out what a great pricing structure is going to be. Now, what was that one number I was talking about? It's actually the agency pricing. Now, not only does this number help us service our agency customers, but it also acts as a strong anchor for our other packages, because $999 compared to $299 or even $129 for our professional tiers is such a gap that it makes those feel like a great deal. So do not overlook the pricing psychology when it comes to price anchoring. Now, will this actually work out? Are these the right numbers? Well, only time will tell, and I'll tell you what we end up learning and how we maybe evolve from here. But now the hard part begins. And this is where I have to go use Claude Code and figure out how I need to modify our existing product and start to move in the direction so that I can release this pricing. The good news is I've got Claude Cowork that has helped me completely phase out this approach so that I can do it incrementally and without risking the existing users who've been paying and using Super Schema up until this point. But more on that in the next video. I'll see you then.